Whisper Flow because it wasn't working on Windows. Nice, dude. It's so sick. Okay, so here's all the code for the bot that we built. I'll show you more in depth during the video. And like I said, you want to stick around because I figured out the true valuation for Aster, and you'll see exactly how I worked on that math model in order to kind of price it, because right now it's only been out for a day. And is it going to be bigger than Hyperliquid? I'm not here to say that it is or it isn't, but I do know CZ is a vicious competitor and it's something to look out for. But you'll see all the numbers and the number I came to here in this video if you do stick around. I'm scrolling through this code, but you can go ahead and pause the video at any time in order to copy the code down. This is all of the code needed in order to build a trading bot here on Aster Dex, which is brand new, and I don't think anybody else in the world has shown this. So I'm excited to bring this to you here, and I hope you enjoy this video. Go ahead and tap the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you inside. Let's get it, lock in. All right, today we are building a bot for Aster Dex. Aster Dex is Binance's new perpetual crypto exchange, and essentially it's a competitor of Hyperliquid. And as you know, we're one of the first to ever build for Hyperliquid, and we built some of probably the first bots launched on Hyperliquid and went through the documentation when it was very, very young. And I think Aster Dex will get some of the volume. I'm not saying all of it. I'm not saying it's going to flip it. I'm not saying any of that stuff. I do want to analyze the opportunity as well, see how much growth it has ahead of itself. So I'll be kind of doing both today. So I have my Hyperliquid trading bots here, and you can see there's a bajillion backtests that we've been working on the last couple weeks here. But I also have all these bots here, and you can see under the Hyperliquid tab here, a bunch of market makers and seeing people's positions and things like that. So we're going to go ahead and dive all the way in here and build absolutely everything that is needed. But make sure that this is non-financial advice. Everything I'm doing here is me just building for myself, and if you want to see this you can, and if not then that's cool too. But I'm gonna dive right into it, and the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start a new GitHub. Okay, so let's get a new GitHub and call this Aster Exchange Trading Bots. Okay, so let's go here and say add new, create new GitHub, and say Aster Dex, I guess is what they call it, Dex Trading Bots. Okay, create repo, publish repo, copy path, copy repo path. Okay, let's go up in here and say cd up in there. Okay, code dot. Okay, now we have our Aster up, and what I'm gonna say, I'm just gonna make a readme real quick just so I can get Claude up. It's really weird how she doesn't pull up until we do this, but whatever. .md. Okay, and then I go here and I say Claude dangerously skip permissions, because we don't do it any other way. Damn, double that does that too. Claude dangerously skip permissions. Okay, dangerously skip permissions, perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and say let's give it access to our Hyperliquid bot, or one of them. Here, let's just put, well, MM41 looks nice and sketch. Like it's not on the GitHub, so I like that. Let's give it MMO2, copy path. Here's an example of a Hyperliquid bot, and you can use the nice funcs file in that same directory. It has pretty much all of my functions, that file that I attached you to, and then the nice funcs in that same directory. Okay, so now you